Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how I make my morning matcha from scratch with some high protein vegan hemp milk. So here you can see how I prep my matcha. I have taken a sieve and I'm just prepping the matcha powder to sieve through the strainer so that I can get a smooth silky texture of the matcha liquid. So that is how you can do, or you can do the traditional Japanese method. I just did not feel like using the matcha kit, so I did it in a traditional Indian way. Then I put the hot water, lukewarm water, few drops of monk fruit extract, used my electric blender, and that is how I prep the matcha extract, and I have kept it aside. Here you can see the Himalayan hemp seeds. So these beautiful seeds are the complete source of high protein. It has all the essential amino acids that a vegan can get. And you can do one thing, you can make a big batch of this hemp milk and you can store it in the fridge in some you can store it in the fridge in some glass container. I did not feel like doing it. I every time I make my hemp seed milk, I prepare it fresh. So that is how you can do. You can just pour the seeds in some water in the mixture grinder, then you can just grind it, and it will beautifully become this liquid milky texture. And this is the hemp milk. Then I have taken some ice cubes because it is piping hot out here in this scorching summer, right? We all feel like having something cooling, so I just made my matcha like iced matcha form. So I have taken the ice cubes, then I have poured my liquid matcha extract that I have prepared, and then I'll be straining this hemp seed milk on top of it. So you will get to see how creamy it is in texture. So it is just like your normal milk, but it is much better option without having any added hormones injected in it. And this is the complete source of high protein and low carb, basically zero carb. Again, all who are willing to follow vegan keto, they can always add this hemp seed or hemp hearts in in their diet. And there I have poured some vanilla extract on top, and this is my high protein vegan laddu, vegan protein ball, whatever you want to call it, you can call it. So basically this had some nut butter, coconut, what is it, coconut oil, flaxseed powder, and sesame seed powder, and what else, some vanilla extract, cinnamon, and some